Which smart mobility scooter is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're exploring 5 standout options that address real needs so you can ride with confidence. Product number 1, Rascal Venture 3-wheel. We have the Rascal Venture 3-wheel portable mobility scooter. The eye-catching red design really stands out, and it's priced competitively for a scooter in this category. If you want an easy-to-transport option that doesn't compromise on comfort, this is worth a serious look. This scooter is all about mobility and convenience. It can travel up to 10 miles on a single battery charge, reaching speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. That means you can easily navigate your neighborhood or shopping center without worrying about running out of power. Plus, it disassembles into 5 lightweight pieces, which is a game changer for those who need to store it in a car or at home. The seat is height adjustable, and there's a swivel function to help with getting on and off easily. Now, some people mention that it feels a bit heavier than expected, weighing about 96.5 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a scooter that can handle more rugged terrain or is more stable, this weight actually contributes to that sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you want a scooter that's easy to transport and offers decent range. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for frequent lifting, but for most users, it's solid value for the money. Now, if the weight of the Venture 3-wheel bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Rascal Conquest 4-wheel heavy-duty outdoor mobility scooter. At first glance, it's a robust option for those who want to get out and explore. If long-range travel is your goal, this scooter is definitely worth considering. What sets this one apart is its impressive ability to travel up to 17 miles on a single charge and hit speeds of 6 miles per hour. That's perfect for longer outings or trips to the park. The 4-wheel design provides extra stability, especially on uneven terrain. You also get a rearview mirror and a high-intensity LED headlight, which are super helpful for visibility in crowded areas or at dusk. The adjustable seat and armrests mean you can tailor it to your comfort, ensuring long rides don't wear you out. However, some users have noted that it's quite heavy at 158 pounds, making it challenging to transport. But if you're mostly using it at home or have a permanent spot for it, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for someone who needs a sturdy, long-range scooter for outdoor adventures. Skip it if you need something lightweight, but for its features, it offers great value. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability.
Product number 3, Rascal Venture 4-wheel portable mobility scooter. Right off the bat, its compact design and easy disassembly caught my attention. If convenience is your priority, this is a fantastic option. This scooter shares a lot of features with its 3-wheeled counterpart, including the ability to break down into 5 lightweight pieces, with the heaviest part weighing only 34.5 pounds. It can travel up to 10 miles at speeds of 4 miles per hour, which is perfect for short errands or leisurely walks. The swivel seat and adjustable handles help you find that perfect fit, making getting in and out a breeze. That said, some users noted that the 8-inch wheels can struggle a bit on rough terrain. Here's the thing though, if most of your travel is on flat, smooth surfaces, you'll find this scooter really easy to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you need something that's super portable and comfortable for short distances. Skip this if you plan to navigate more rugged landscapes, but for daily use, it's a solid investment. Moving on, if you're considering portability, you'll want to hear about our next pick.
Let's switch gears to the Razer A5 Luxe Kick Scooter. It's designed for kids ages 8 and up. And honestly, I love the sleek anodized finish and bold colors. If you're looking for something fun and durable for your kids, this is definitely worth checking out. The A5 comes with extra-large 8-inch urethane wheels that provide a super smooth ride, which means your kids can zip around without worrying about bumps. The height-adjustable handlebars make it suitable for different heights, and the foldable design is perfect for easy storage and transport. Plus, the aluminum T-tube is strong enough to support riders up to 220 pounds. On the flip side, some parents mentioned that it might not be as stable for younger or less experienced riders. Here's my take. If your child is just starting out, you might want to supervise them until they get the hang of it, but for older kids, it's a blast. This is a great choice if you want a reliable scooter that grows with your child. Skip it if you're looking for something for very young kids, but for ages 8 and up, it's a fantastic deal. Lastly, if you want a scooter with even more features, the next one offers cool extras for a little extra fun.
Product number 5, Aeromobility Kick Scooter. We have the Aeromobility two-wheel kick scooter, perfect for kids ages 5 to 8. The dynamic RGB lights really set it apart. And if you're searching for something that stands out, this one is sure to make your child the coolest kid on the block. The scooter features light-up wheels that change colors with motion, making every ride an exciting adventure. It supports riders up to 110 pounds and has a non-slip deck and a hand-controlled brake for safety. Plus, it's foldable and height adjustable, which means it can grow with your child. However, a few parents mention that the lighting system can drain batteries quickly. Here's the thing. It uses motion sensor technology, so if your child isn't constantly using it, the batteries tend to last longer than you'd think. This one is perfect if you want a fun and safe ride for younger kids. Skip it if your child is older and needs something more advanced, but for ages 5 to 8, it's a fantastic choice. So there you have it, a diverse selection of mobility scooters that cater to different needs and preferences.
We've seen some fantastic options. The Rascal Venture 3-wheel for portability, the Conquest 4-wheel for long-range travel, the Venture 4-wheel for compact convenience, the Razer A5 Lux for older kids, and the Aeromobility for younger riders. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your lifestyle best.